Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I achieve this banga soup. Here is my palmnut cream. Did it with hot water and I like to rest for a while so that we can get rid of the sun. Added the banga stick, seasoning, meat spices for banga, pepper, salt, crayfish, and I cooked it for 10 minutes. So here I'll be adding my fish. I have tilapia, catfish, mackerel fish, catfish. So I'm done adding the fish. I'll just give it a good mix. So now I will add some water and I will add the leaf for banga. I'll give it a good mix and after that I'll cover and cook it for another 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes guys. Our banga soup is ready. Now it's like this. When it's cool, it will be thick. Thank you.